Hare Krishna. I'd like to tell you about our first purpose family. When Srila Prabhupada established ISKCON in 1966, he put forward 7 purposes. The second of these purposes was to propagate a consciousness of Krishna as is revealed in the Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. But the first purpose was to systematically propagate spiritual knowledge to society at large, to educate all people in the techniques of spiritual life in order to check the imbalance of values, to achieve real unity and peace in the world. So this is what Srila Prabhupada intended to be the foundation, the basis of preaching Krishna consciousness. So our mission, following on from Srila Prabhupada's intention, to challenge material scientism and the material culture based on it, to develop and distribute spirit-based education and training based on universal Vedic wisdom principles, to check the imbalance of values, and to help introduce real love, peace, unity, and harmony in the world. Our vision for the future: centers for education and training, publications, huge internet presence, land-based communities, artistic, dramatic, musical presentations, big international influence, and people becoming happy. Only time separates us. These are our values: serving our acharyas, Vedic universal ideals, especially truthfulness, cleanliness and purity, simple living and mercy, harmony, servant leadership. Leaders serve all, they're not bosses of everybody. Fostering talent and genius so that members become more successful, more enthusiastic, and more talented. A mutual support of the family and members. So our program in a nutshell is really simple. We should know that we're creative, conscious, spiritual beings. Know that the basis of the universe is a creative, conscious, spiritual being. Know and develop our relationship with the divine. Make positive association. Understand, practice, and teach spirit-based personal development and spirit-based group development and leadership. Our definite next steps: finish and publish 4 books, finish and put online 3 educational courses, video campaign with targeted advertising, light version of the books from the internet courses, educate and train those who want to take part, and contact positive and supportive people with whom we can cooperate. So, to develop the family, we want to offer the possibility of contributing to a worthwhile cause in a family community based on love, peace, unity, and harmony, with a group process that's effective and appeals to the heart as well, where individuals can feel that they belong as beloved members, they can take part according to their talent, they know that the group values support and nourish their personal values, and they can progress in serving and loving Guru Gauranga Radha Krishna. There's so many different kinds of engagement. Limitless. Making videos, filming videos, editing videos, writing scripts, books and articles, producing and presenting education online, face-to-face, graphic design, illustrating, drama, making web pages and websites, making music and writing songs, organizing events, financial support and assistance, advertising, marketing, keeping in touch with people, finding out spiritual shakers and movers that we can get in touch with, and so many different kinds of research, and the list goes on. So next steps, if you're interested in taking part, which we hope you are, join the WhatsApp group. Here's the address there. Keep in touch with us and attend the next meeting if you can. That's it. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for watching.